Hello class, I'm going to help you with understanding where to find the Alice Chapter 1 and 2, the lab that you have for Chapter 2, the First World Lab. So first of all, what you will do is you will go to Course Content, click on Course Content, scroll down, and locate Alice Chapter 1 and 2. From there, you'll scroll down. Make sure that you have installed Alice onto your machine that you will be using. This is where you're going to find the labs that are due for this week, beginning August the 26th for your first week assignments. You have your Chapter 2 Lab 1, the First World Lab, and then you also have the Chapter 2 Lab 2, the Shipwreck Lab. Now this is where you will find your Chapter 2 Lab 1 for the First World Lab. Here are the directions. Make sure you open your directions. Then you'll go back and you'll find the grading rubric to help you understand how your assignment will be graded. But you want to follow the directions contained in the Chapter 2-1 lab instructions. It's going to tell you to prepare to work this lab, read through Chapter 2 for Alice, and install Alice 3 on your computer. The directions for installing Alice 3 are found in the Getting 3 software PowerPoint that we did in class yesterday, but also you can find it by scrolling back up. It's right here. How to get Alice 3 software and install it onto your machine. And then there's the Getting Started with Alice 3. There's the code editor. All of these are wonderful lectures to help you get started. And it also tells you how to review and find if you have a 64-bit system or a 32-bit system. You'll follow the instructions. It's going to tell you how to begin by starting Alice. A Select Project dialog box is automatically displayed. Select the Blank Slates tab, and you're ready to, you'll begin. If you have any questions, please contact me and I'll be happy to help you. We can set up a Zoom meeting and work on it together.